What if I told you your entire life is only about 4,000 weeks? Not years, not decades, just 4,000 weeks. And the scary part? You've already used a big chunk of them. Welcome to Finance Theory. I'm Mr. Nomi. And today, we're not just talking about money. We're talking about something far more valuable. Time. Because no matter how rich you get, no matter how successful you become, you can never buy back a single week of your life. So the real question is, are you spending your time or wasting it? Section 1. The 4,000-week reality. Let's break it down. The average human lives around 75 to 80 years. That's roughly 4,000 weeks. Now think about your current age. If you're 25, you've already used about 1,300 weeks. If you're 30, that's over 1,500 weeks gone. And here's where it gets uncomfortable. We act like time is unlimited. We scroll for hours. We delay our dreams. We say things like, I'll start next year. But the truth is, you don't have someday. You only have a limited number of weeks left. Section 2. The biggest time wasters. Let's be honest. Most people don't lose their life in one big mistake. They lose it in small, daily habits. Number 1. Endless scrolling. Hours disappear on social media, watching other people live the life you want. Number 2. Living on autopilot. Wake up, work, eat, sleep. Repeat. No purpose, no direction. Number 3. Fear of taking action, waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. And number 4. Chasing the wrong things. Money without meaning, success without happiness. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. You're not out of time. You're just using it poorly. Section 3. How successful people think about time. Highly successful people don't see time the way others do. They treat time like money. Actually, more valuable than money, because money can be earned back. Time can't. Instead of asking, how can I make more money? They ask, how can I spend my time better? They invest in skills. They focus on what truly matters. They say no to distractions. And most importantly, they understand that every yes is also a no. When you say yes to wasting time, you're saying no to your future. Section 4. How to use your 4,000 weeks wisely. So how do you actually use your time wisely? Let's keep it simple. 1. Get clear on what matters. Not what social media tells you. Not what society expects. What matters to you? Freedom, family, financial independence. Because if you don't decide, the world will decide for you. 2. Focus on high-value activities. Not all hours are equal. One focused hour can change your life, while 5 hours of distraction will leave you exactly where you are. Ask yourself daily, is this moving me forward or holding me back? 3. Stop trying to do everything. You don't have time for everything. And that's okay. The key is choosing what truly matters and letting go of the rest. 4. Invest in yourself. Skills, knowledge, health. These are the only investments that pay you for life. Instead of wasting time consuming, start creating. 5. Take action now, not tomorrow. Not next week now. Because every week you delay is 1 week you'll never get back. Section 5. A powerful shift in thinking. Here's a mindset shift that can change everything. Stop thinking you have time. Start acting like you don't. Because when you realize time is limited, you stop tolerating things that don't matter. You stop wasting energy on useless distractions. You start living with intention, and suddenly, every decision becomes more powerful. Section 6. The regret factor at the end of life. People don't regret the risks they took. They regret the chances they didn't take. The business they never started. The dreams they never chased. The life they never lived. Don't let that be you. Because one day, your 4,000 weeks will be gone, and you'll either look back with pride or regret. So here's your challenge. This week, just 1 week, treat your time like it actually matters. Cut one distraction. Start one meaningful action. Move one step closer to the life you want. Because life isn't short. It's limited, and how you use it is everything. If you found this valuable, subscribe to Finance Theory for more content on money, mindset, and building a better life. I'm Mr. Gnome. And remember, You don't need more time. You need better decisions.